How to edit a video opacity on CapCut app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to CapCut. As you can see, this is the home page. Now click on new project or choose from your drafts. I already have this video, so now all what you have to do is simple. Click on your video like this, click on it and go down here, swipe right until you find, as you can see right here, the opacity option. Click on it. Now you can edit the opacity easily from here, as you can see. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later and thank you so much.